बायोगॅसाचो इंधन म्हण वापर करून तांचेर चलपी बस गाड्यांची सेवा मंगळारा सावन गोंयच्या रस्त्याचेर सुरू जाली। हो देशांतलो पयलो प्रयोग गोंयांत सुरू जाला। कदंब महामंडळान स्वीडनच्या स्केनिया ह्या कंपनी कडेन हात मेळोवन ही सेवा गोंयांत उपलब्ध केल्या। सोमारा बायोगॅसा चलपी एक जाल्यार 2 इथेनॉला चलपी बसीचे उक्तावण गोंयच्या राज्यपाल मृदुला सिन्हा हांच्या हस्तुकी जाले। आर्टिक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
This system will bring comfort and at the same time our environment pollution will also go. So I thank Mr. who has come to give comfort to our state and thank the Goa people and the Kadamba Gadget also. The company has taken this idea. This is pilot project. After that we can adopt it, and the India and other states will follow this.
As you well are aware of, we are now very happy to have the launch of the 2 ethanol buses. That means the emission levels of Euro 5. You will see them later on, the stands outside here. And we also have the biogas bus, that is Euro 6. And that is actually the first Euro 6 bus in India so far. So that will be the first one here in Goa. Fantastic.
Around 4 months back, Government of Goa, with association with Kenya, planned to introduce this biogas buses in Goa. The main intention was that the Salegaon treatment plant, which manufactured about biogas, which can suffice to 50 buses of Kenya type, with 100% biogas fuel, and which can run 200 to 250 kilometers per day. So as a trial, when this discussion went on, the Scania came with a 100% biogas fuel buses, and we thought of going for pilot project. The main speciality of this bus is low entry, low floor bus, and secondly it can be tilted on one side so that chairs can be taken inside for the which are brought by physically handicapped people. So they can directly come in the bus with that chair. So it can be tilted. Secondly, we have nearby a CCTV camera also, which is connected with GPS to our office, so that we can view and we can see the behavior of the